Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BOI Impact. I am Hadiza Olaosebikan. Please recall that last year we started a series in which we were spotlighting the Bank of Industry's robust support for entrepreneurs who have successfully taken up the challenge of addressing Nigeria's food self-sufficiency and food security issues. Today, we shall be continuing with the trend by featuring Sona Agro Allied Foods Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company which is into the manufacturing of biscuits, cereals, and various snacks. The company that was incorporated 10 years ago in June 2011 is located at Kilometer 1, Ijoko Road, Sango Ota in Ogun State. Sona Agro Allied Foods Limited is well equipped with state-of-the-art plants and machinery. It is instructive to indicate that it was as a result of the Bank of Industry's intervention that the capacity of the company's plant increased from 14 tons per day to 100 tons per day. Recently, BOI's Impact crew visited Sona Agro for a first-hand account of how it has continued to prosper with BOI's support and to also observe how the company is striving to achieve its vision and mission. Today's program promises to be an eye-opener for potential entrepreneurs who want to venture into food processing. And for those who are already in the food processing business, there is quite a lot to learn from Sona Agro's highly inspirational success story. Please stay tuned. Sona Agro Allied Foods Limited is the biscuits, cereal, and snack unit of Sona Group. It manufactures and markets food products, which is a vital sector of any economy. The company's vision is to be an outstanding organization focused on producing the best quality and most innovative products for its consumers, and in the process build a formidable institution that can take on the best in the industry. Sona Agro Allied Foods Limited's mission is to strive to manufacture and market world-class direct and indirect food products at value for money driven by research and development in order to meet the expectations of its esteemed consumers and to provide a conducive working and business environment for its employees and contractors.
These are the area of our products. We have the mass market products, we have the supermarkets, then we have wafer, and we have chocolates. These mass market products. We have the cake cracker, Whiskids, Good Day, Sona Bites, Multi, and some other products like that we use for the mass market. Mass market means the big one. Then we also have the supermarket. This one, you can see them in ShopRite, you can see them in Spar. These are the products that we also produce as supermarket products. We have 7 types of wafer products. We have Fafi. This Fafi is banana flavor. We have Milky Bar. We have chocolate cream. We have golden berry. This is berry flavor. We have Twister here. We have array of chocolate products here. We call this one double heart. We also have big hearts.
Sona Agro has come into existence in operations around 2012. So from 2012 onwards, the company has shown the keen interest for the development of the product, development in the quality, and more importantly, what market needs, catering the products as per the need of the market. And there is a wide range of products we have developed. So for that, right from the kids to the aged persons, everybody can. And for doing these things, we have a strong quality system. Two things where our management has a keen focus is the quality and the people. Development of the people, ultimately at the end of the day, people who delivers. So these two things has played a very important role for the development of our company.
He mentioned further that the location of the company in Nigeria has enhanced the local production of raw materials and 100% indigenous staff.
Once management or anybody wants to invest money or wants to have a factory organization, there are a lot of parameters they consider. So one of the consider is the availability of the material. See, any business, the three aims are there: material, man, and the machines. Now, as far as the material is concerned, they are locally available, and the different types of materials, whatever you need to run the show, all are available. And skilled people, unskilled people, there is no dearth of any resources as far as Nigeria is concerned. And to me, what is the most important thing is the environment. We may have all the ingredients, but if the environment is not there, if the environment is not favoring industry, so then the doing this business in any country is difficult. So considering all the points, the Nigeria is having the edge over others. So that is the main reason why management has selected Nigeria as a place. As being the FMCG, that is the fast moving consumer goods, and that too particularly the food industry, that requirement is there. People cannot survive his day without any food. So that way it is there. And we are also producing for the biscuits for the different classes, right from the school going kids to the aged. So that also has a given ages over others. Mass market is small 10 naira products are, we are giving the 10 naira products to the mass market. So where the number of biscuits are less, for where the people can afford to take, more number of people can afford to take the biscuits. Whereas the supermarket products are little bit the premium variety, and we are showcasing our product. So this way we are differentiating.
He reiterated that Sona Allied Foods Limited is committed to providing its customers quality product maintained by highly trained and motivated Nigerian workforce.
You have seen our factory. This is a very, very labor intensive factory. So many people are working. You can say in a line basis of say 50 to 60 per shift in one line. So that means you can count for a day or for a shift how many people are working. Considering that thing, maximum percent of people are from the son of the soil, the local guy, and outside people are very less. Even they may not be coming to any percentage also. So you have seen everybody, the right from the receipt of the material, manufacturing, packing, and the shifting of the goods being handled by the people from here.
Speaking with BOI Impact crew, the financial controller of the company shared with us the instrumental role of the Bank of Industry in the company's expansion of plant capacity from 14 tons per day to 100 tons per day.
The Bank of Industry play a vital role for Sona Agro. When the Sona Agro is started, until 3-4 years after the capitalization, the Bank of India and Sona Agro, they have understanding relationship also to getting the loan for the working capital for the operation. So we purchase machineries and overheads. All the machineries we purchase line 2, line 3 from the Bank of Industries. I really appreciate the Bank of Industry that not only support for Sona Agro, that BOI support a lot of companies in Nigeria. But especially we have more good relationship with the BOI for the facilities and the loan facilities and the importation facilities, even the overdraft facilities and the interest rates. Whatever the management insists to the perception of the bank loan. So based on the management, Bank of Industry, they will support more. And then we are very comfortable to working with BOI. Before BOI, our productivity is less. After BOI, its productivity will be more, and our business expansion also there, and we are moving forward all regions. We are trying to cover all the places because are supportive of the BOI.
Welcome back. I'm sure you must have been motivated by Sona Agro's inspiring operations into becoming an agro-allied industrialist. Well, this is one of the objectives of our BOI Impact TV series. The market for confectionaries in particular is quite huge and is worth venturing into. This explains why the Bank of Industry is supporting Sona Agro Allied Foods Limited and other companies contributing to Nigeria's economic development. In the course of the interview, you heard how Sona Agro has kept striving to continue improving the quality of its product through research and development, and also keeping abreast with the trends in the local and international markets. Sona Agro Allied Foods Limited is well equipped with the state-of-the-art plant and machineries. The Process Improvement Officer, Dotun Egbetokun, took the BOI Impact crew on the tour of their production process.
We have 5 lines here, 3 biscuit lines, 2 wafer lines. The 3 biscuit line we are having 75 per shift per line, and altogether we have 300 people working on both biscuit and wafer line. The capacity of what we produce for the biscuit line, we have 40,000 cartons per day, both day and night. 24 hours we have 40,000 cartons, which translates to 50 metric tons. Then for the wafer line, we are producing 5,000 per day per shift, which make the two to be 10,000. And for the number of people we are working with in chocolate, we have 25 people working in chocolate, and we produce 5,000 per day, only running on day shifts, no night shifts in chocolate line. This is line 2. We are producing ginger biscuits. It will come from this is our oven. It will come from the oven. After mixing, it will come to the oven, then come to the cooling conveyor. They call this one cooling conveyor. From the cooling conveyor, it will go to the packing table, where they will pack into the wrappers and to the cartons. This is what they call stacker area. It will stack it very well and go to the packing table. That is where they are packing now. They are packing into the packing table. These are the packing machines. You fill it in there, it will come through here. She's filling it here. Then go to packing machine. After packing in the wrapper, we will now fill into the cartons. From the carton, we'll put it on the conveyor, where we'll palletize on the pallets. So this is the oven. This is the oven where we'll melt the wafers. Then from there, the batter will come from the batter tank. Will come to this small dispenser. From here, the batter will come to the plate. This is an oval plate. The batter will come to the oval plate here. Then it will come out as a sheet. These wafer sheets coming out as a result of the batter. This batter will go into the oven. The oven is at a different temperature. It will come out as a wafer sheet. It will come like this. The reason for all this is for the cooling. It will come like this. So from there it will come like this. Here we have the cream. Here we have the cream spreading on the wafer sheets. We have the cream spreading on the wafer sheets coming like this. This is the cream. This is the cream. That's the wafer cream. Before entering into the trimming line, trimming machine, it's a book. It's a book like this. So after entering, it will trim it, trim both sides. After trimming, it will come out as 22. It will cut it to pack size like this, 22 grams. You can see. It's coming out as 22 grams. It has cut it to small sizes. So from there, it will move from the conveyor to the packing machine. After that, it has become wafers. It will seal here and seal here. Seal both sides. Then we'll pack 72 of these will be in a carton like this. That's why we call it 22 grams by 72. So after the packing machine, it will seal it like this. The sealing machine will now seal the cartons, back and front, below and upper. From there, we'll palletize. It will seal it, then we'll palletize.
The General Manager Operations further spoke on the quality of their product and other new products the company is developing.
Quality means no, to satisfy the customer needs. For that no, we have to arrive certain parameters. That parameters you have to arrive according to their customer needs. So then after that we are sourcing of the raw material. So especially they are sourcing of the raw material only locally. Our management is encouraging only sourcing of raw material only local, not outside. So very 20% of the material only we are importing. So 80% of the material we are sourcing from locally. So one more thing, our aim is apart from quality, our aim is diet products. Apart from this, we have developed a lot of products. More than 40 products were developed. 40 products and 115 SKUs. SKU means different pack size. So all 40 products are having this own different unique, all unique product. So that now we cannot say like that. We are the best quality product manufacturer. That's what I can say. Best quality manufacturer. We are not telling is number one like that. We are best quality manufacturer. We have got some other award also, some other product. Sona Bites, Digestive, we have got best award from the quality say some organization, best award also we have got it. So now what happened now? Now we are our company is ISO certified company. We are going for FSMS also, safety management system. That also we are working on it, FSMS. That is very soon we are going to get it that also. But now already our company ISO certified, so our working quality system is very prompt. Our team is very strong team, excellent team.
I will tell you that there is a lot of scopes are there. Lot of scopes are there for doing this business and to enhance the I could say, your prospect over here. And for doing so, as I have mentioned earlier, unless and until the environment is conducive, helpful to the industry friendly, so industry cannot grow. If you see here, industries are growing, and even with my experience and other people who are working here, they are very happy with the kind of help and the support we are getting from the all segment. So the environment is absolutely good.
As you would have followed on our BOI Impact series, the Bank of Industry supports viable projects that have considerable developmental impact. Many of them have extensive value chains with potential multiplier effect. Most have high job creation capacity, utilize local raw materials, and are able to compete with imported brands, and even serve as a suitable substitute to some foreign products. In the process, Nigeria's foreign exchange is conserved, export of Nigerian jobs is stemmed, living standard of Nigerians are enhanced, and invariably more and more people are being lifted out of poverty. The Bank of Industry is always willing to handhold potentially viable businesses with significant developmental impact. In addition to financial assistance, BOI also provides business advisory services. Why not contact us today, especially through any of our electronic channels? Our committed staff are ever willing to help you set up your project or expand, modernize, and rehabilitate existing ones. Many of our customers who started with us as SMEs are now large enterprises. You can also be a beneficiary of BOI's support. Thank you for watching today's episode of BOI Impact. I am Hadiza. Olaosebikan. Bye for now.